What is up, you guys? It's your boy C. Corey back with another video. I'm gonna film a quick little highway POV before I go back to work, aka home, working from home. But I just finished my x-ray, so let's see, gotta turn in. Nope. I'm trying to film a little POV for you guys, even a highway POV, because I haven't done one in ages. So I wish I could just cut across. Can you cut across? That's a good question. Matter of fact, let me try it real quick. Let me try that. Oh my god, bro. Why you going slow right now? Alright, let's see. The truck was right there too. Alright. Making good timing, good timing. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys are having a good day, whatever day you're watching this. Actually, you know what? I changed my mind. Actually, I changed it. Do something else. The Mustangs always be doing pulls on here. And that's just comfort. Now, the one thing about people in Florida, they wait until you get really close. I'm not gonna hit you, bro. He was backing up his car. Bro, you think I'm gonna hit you in this car? Come on, bro. But yeah, people in Florida, they always wait for you to get close to them and then they want to pull out. I don't know what's the point, or like, why do you wait? Like, do it before I even get there, you know? Beautiful though. West Palm Beach. West Palm Beach has so many hoods, like, in it. You got the hood back that way. The rich part is down that way. You got some more of the hood on that side. New York, you gonna have to step on the gas, bro. Step on the gas a little bit. You know what's so crazy? For anyone that does YouTube, we also watch YouTubers as well. And you don't realize how many YouTubers there are until you start, like, seeing different creators and stuff like that. And I didn't realize how many people were here just in, well, not even Palm Beach, but South Florida. There's so many of them, especially car YouTubers. And I've been trying to find, like, who's in the area. I have a couple, but the one thing I gotta say, some of these creators are way too bougie, bro. Like, I don't care if I had 1 million followers, I'm still checking my DMs. I'll reach out to people, either left on scene or they just don't answer it. So certain collabs that could have happened are probably not happening. Just to let you guys know. But yeah, I'm gonna still continue to keep posting, keep doing everything else. Nothing's gonna stop. So, but yeah, just letting you guys know, a lot of these creators out here are very, like, they think they're better than everyone else. So, and it's crazy, I even reached out to one of the YouTubers who I thought was down to earth, and he left me on C, and I'm like, damn, it's like that. So yeah, that's why it's like, yes, you do better when everyone helps each other grow, but everyone thinks they could do this on their own. Like, if you look at any other YouTubers or popular people, they've all done it together as a group or whatever. So it's cool though. We still gonna keep growing. Car channel's still doing good right now. I really want to hit 100K. My goal was to hit 50K by the end of this year, and I did it. So I'm very happy about that, honestly. I think it's at like 59K right now. I think so. So my goal for next year obviously is that 100. Definitely want that 100K. If it doesn't happen, it's cool, but I promise you, anyone that knows me knows I'm a grinder, and if I say I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it. So damn, you guys can't, oh my god. Yeah, if I say I'm gonna do something, 100% I'm doing it. So definitely doing it. Yeah, I think I'm at like, what are your guesses before I show you guys? Let's see. Oh, we just hit 60K today. Damn, I appreciate you guys. Look at that, 60K. Oh my gosh, you guys are the best. 40K away, baby. Let's go. Almost there, man. I promise you I'm hitting that 100. I promise, because it really doesn't take much. Like, people think you just have to be consistent, and you got to know what to post. And I post pretty much every day. Even if it's not a video, it's a short, you know? Like, people are really consumers out here. Like, a lot of people, they literally just go to work, go home, consume, and go to sleep. That's all it is. And if you want to be a creator that makes money, just feed them. Upload so many videos, man. It doesn't matter. Upload every day if you have to. For real. Upload every single day. So on days where I don't post videos, like POV videos, because at one point I was going crazy. I was posting once a day, sometimes even twice a day. But yeah, man. But yeah, just post every day, whether it's a short or a video, whatever it is, just post. So it's looking like fire trucks on that side. I might go around to the other side, actually. I'll do a quick mini pull on that side if there's no traffic for you guys, so we'll see. Let that girl go. Damn, look at the traffic on that side though. Holy shit. Look at that traffic. Okay. That guy's not going, so I'm about to go. Yeah, because usually I keep going straight, but that traffic is crazy. Let's go, Joe. Joe. I hate when you try to be nice and let people go, and then they go slow. It's like, come on, man. You know what this was? Alright, let's see. I'm gonna at least do one little baby pull for you guys, you know, baby one. There we go. But yeah, look at this, man. Damn. 12.3 million. If I had an instant 360 cam on my car though, that would have been perfect to put on the back right now. That would have been perfect to put on the back of the car right now. You know, kids always go crazy with cars and stuff. Yeah, 60K. Honestly, YouTube is pushing shorts right now. Like, they even have their own feature to promote the short, so it's crazy, man. Actually, I might be able to do one little baby one. Let's see. I told you guys I was going to do a pull for you guys. Told you. Alright, so now we chilling back into her. Wait, why is it doing that? Oh yeah, so we're back into it right now. But yeah, right now it's a little traffic because the kids got out earlier. You know what I hate though? It's like people can't drive. Like, there's literally 2 like lanes up here. Oh my gosh, bro, pick a lane though. Let's go. I hate people that just going too slow. Like, pick a lane. Alright. So, man, that was a short drive though. How many minutes do I have on this GoPro? I got 12 minutes. Damn. 12 minutes? Not bad. Yeah, this is Palm Beach for you guys who don't know, or for those who haven't been here. Downtown West Palm. So, I'm debating. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna go the other way. Come back around. Yeah, the traffic starts building up around like 4. Like right now, traffic starts building up. I think they're preparing for something over here because they got the barricades and stuff up right now. So they're preparing for something. I don't know what it is honestly, but it's something on this side. But yeah, guys, I'm about to head home for a few. I'm probably gonna post another POV. I might come out later and film one, so I will let you guys know. But okay, here we go. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.